got
The sun's kind of blocking.
I got cat series. What are we gonna get? I hope it's a silver tabby. It'll be like a Benji. We're opening this right out of the store. Couldn't wait. Okay. I feel it.
I'm scared.
Didi!
Which one is this?
The one with the
Got the one I
mouth.
wanted.
Oh,
That's
that's
a poppy.
That is so cute. Shove the child back in the box. That's the calico.
And then go to the porch location. Size of one.
Okay, I'm gonna open this. Oh my god, I just opened it so quickly. What is this one? Oh, I got the Lily Bell. This has a shower cap head.